What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna play another game. I'm gonna do 5-5 this time. Get an opponent at least 1900. Might take a little bit. I'm gonna pause it until I get a game. All right, so we got a game. Took maybe 15 seconds to get a guy over 2000, so that's good. Okay, all been played many times before. Okay, that doesn't look very dangerous. Knight F3 or Knight C3? Probably Knight C3, just so he can't pin me. Alright, and now he plays E6. That's also not very scary. This looks like the move. This looks like the move. Knight C6. It's not threatening anything. Alright, I think I want to do this. We have Rook C1, Bishop back, Queen here, threatening to take and then mate. It's a bit primitive, but He's putting the question to me right now. Yeah. I don't think I want to take yet. Well, if he wants to weaken himself to G5, it's fine by me. He may play his knight here and then my tricks won't work. That's a little awkward. It's a little awkward. I could also play knight here. Although, yeah, this just seems so routine. Rook here, bishop back, queen here. This development's awkward. Maybe I feel like I should have something better. But I don't see anything. Yeah, to play knight here or to not play knight here. Oh, this is great. I have so much time. Now, I mean, the 3-2 is probably better for videos, just so you don't have to hear me talk to myself as much, and it's more fast-paced to watch. But this is definitely a better quality game, but I still shouldn't just babble randomly. I should actually think. I mean, I'm in a great position. I don't see any reason to play knight here. Takes. I don't think I'm ready for that yet. I want to set up some more threats. I mean, his knight is kind of stuck if he wants to protect the other knight. Yeah, maybe he'll play b6 and try to develop this way, but that just seems really slow. a6, super slow. It's funny, sometimes these 2000 level players, they just don't play that good. Other times they play really strong, it seems like to me, so. Okay. Again, this seems really slow. Oh, I got a spectator. I'm famous. Queen c2 or queen d3? Probably queen d3. I mean, I'm thinking maybe I'll get in here with some threats, but okay. Well, he doesn't push the b pawn. He's attacking here, but the problem is maybe queen c2 would have been at least worth thinking about, because here knight takes, you can trade queens, and then I'm not mating him if he trades queens. But I still have to have an advantage here. Interesting. Oh. Stupid! I can't play knight here. And he can't play bishop there and then just trade everything. So, I screwed up again. Yep. I hear you. And now I gotta undevelop my rook, kind of. Oh well. I still have my rook here. Yeah, whatever. I still say I have an advantage. But I'm not mating him. And, yuck. This is not pretty. Bishop takes. Takes here, takes my rook. Yeah, I don't want to get involved in that. Yuck. If 5 is no good, I can take here. Knight back. And just move somewhere. He takes here and trades queens. I mean, trading queens is bad for me because I've isolated pawn. So I probably shouldn't trade queens. Yeah, but now my position is just clumsy and... Okay, well, you're not threatening this anymore, so I can move my queen. I don't know what's happening here, but black's probably better. Yeah. Queen here, he can attack me. Then go back. We can also try to trade queens, which is not what I want. Kind of don't want to put my queen here because I want my rook opposite his queen. That maybe loses the knight with g5, maybe. I mean, g5 doesn't look very good, but hey, if it wins a piece. I'm going to go here. So I'm spending a lot of time. He's barely spent any time outside of the, well, I mean, all the time he spent, he's gained back. He's played like 5 seconds move. And I mean, I hate it. I really hate when I'm thinking and the other guy's not thinking and he still gets a better position. You know, you understand the shame. Yeah, my nights are awkward. This is... It's funny, I get so many positions like this where I'm like, he plays these garbage moves, h6, a6, and I'm like, I gotta be winning, but okay, he wants to place knight here. I don't really want to play g3, but I'm gonna play g3. It creates holes, but whatever. I have like a million knights over there, so. I want to stop him from penetrating on this square. Okay, whatever. I'm defending this many times, so I'm not scared. I mean, I probably should be scared to trade a bunch of stuff, but just the isolated pawn alone just means I'll be worse in the endgame. Doesn't necessarily mean I'll be losing. Maybe I should play f4 before I bring the knight back here, but that looks a little too loosening. Alright, I'm going to start moving fast. Tons of protection on this square, so that's good. Probably put my knight up here. He's probably going to just try to trade everything. But the nice thing is he can't trade rooks there too, unless he moves his queen back. He's starting to think now too, which is good. So his queen is kind of dominating. I mean, he can't penetrate anywhere. I have the only open file. So I have something. And these pawns are weak. Can't take either of them yet. Okay. H4 is not very flexible. I'll put my rook here, but I can't. I want to take over the file, but then he's going to attack me here. I want to come here. Yeah, I see no reason not to come back here that I can think of in a rapid game anyway. I mean, I'm not defending this as much, but 2 knights are nicely defending it. I mean, I don't really want to trade queens, but okay, fair enough. I'm giving up this square, but I have to move fast. Is king safer than mine? Yeah, he's doing good. Okay, still got my spectator. Alright, now that forces him to trade queens and I get rid of my isolated pawn. It's still kind of semi-isolated, but it's also passed. It's like artificially isolated, and you see what I mean? Because this guy can never protect it. But hey, now it's a potential strength at least. I mean, shoot, maybe I could push it all the way up. Okay, this knight's dominated. This is a happy turn of events for me. Maybe knight here to here. And he can't even attack this anytime in the near future that I can see. I could also pin this knight, which I'm tempted to do. Probably bring king over here, and then it's protected. I like this with this threat. I mean, forget about this move. This is the square. Yeah, I think I'm better now. Probably keep this knight here, keep this knight out of here. Okay, he's got a 3 to 1 minute time advantage, which is pretty typical of my blitz and rapid games. Okay. I don't think that's good. Yeah. Okay, I see your idea. So I don't have to take this right away. His idea is here. And then, yeah, I really don't want him coming to the square. So I could do this. This is kind of cute. He can't come over here to protect because... Okay. I'm going to push next. Probably. Yeah, I like this. Knight here, knight here. Don't want to give up this square. So maybe push a3. Then start pushing this guy. Well, I mean, he can take now, but... Okay, 52 seconds. It's not time for too much deep thought. However... he's going to play king here. Or that. Yeah, I hear you. Ooh, knight here, is that? No, knight here loses this knight. All right, 40 seconds. Moving on the edge. No, I can't do that. Ugh. Shoot. But yeah, but where's this king going now? Just keep your cool, man. Keep your cool. Knight here, maybe? If he ever plays knight here, I'm taking this guy, so that's good. And if he trades first... Okay, I think I'm just... I only have one threat, and that's this. Okay. Ugly pawns, but I don't know if there is a but. Wait, I shouldn't have pre-moved that. There might have been some cost to take this. Okay. All right, two connectees. Gotta be careful. Okay, totally winning now. Just have to not lose on time. No penetration with the rook. Very, very happy about this. Maybe should have taken. No way I should have taken. Okay, I hear you. I'm giving him this. Why am I giving him that? It's not what I should do. Probably could have prevented that somehow. However, Is he getting this square? Is he getting in? I don't think he's getting in. Okay. Good. I mean, he'd probably come in here. Should I do this? Probably I should. I just couldn't help myself. Now I got a square here. Yeah. Still haven't screwed it up. Still winning, I believe. Okay. Okay, sure. Probably, yeah, good practical move. But, I mean, there's no way you're queening first, man. I'm not going to bother to defend that. Probably I should have. But now your rook is not stopping me from queening, and I'm queening with check too. Okay. Turn this around. Gotta talk any smack. Anonymous say anything? Why can Anonymous talk till after the game? Who's my anonymous friends? Yeah, this is lost, bro. What are you thinking about? What you thinking about? Okay. Maybe is he trying to check me forever? Check. I can go this way though. Or he's gonna sack the rook, but yeah, I can't lose this. I'm pretty sure the rook and 3 pawns is winning. But I'm even without the a pawn, but obviously I'm pretty pleased that I have the a pawn. This would be a lot harder without it. All right, let's analyze. Okay. Let's take it back to the start. Okay, we got a c3 Sicilian. That had to be way better. That's funny, this has never even been played ever. Knight c3. And likes knight f3 a lot better. e6. So why is knight f3 so much better? It's not. It just transposes. The engine's just being silly. Okay. So that's not really all that, but pleasant advantage. Castle, castle. 95. Okay. .95. Bishop c2. It just no rook c1. It likes them. Okay, this is where I was considering 85. I thought it was premature. d5. Yeah, this is. I'm not so good at these type of moves. What's so great about d5? Defend, attack. Ah, but is knight f6 the only move? What if he does this? What? Can't take because check and mate. Wow, that's deep. Definitely not seeing that in a blitz game or rapid game. Probably not seeing that at all. That's very cool though. Let's look at it again. I'm not going to bother to ask anybody to calculate this in their brains. Shut up, man. But I mean, maybe it's just wishful thinking, but I like to think that if I look at really cool variations and just play through them, eventually it'll stick in my brain. I don't know if that's actually true. And if takes, well, if it takes, I'm hitting the rook. And then after the rook moves, I assume I'm coming here, mate, double attack. So I win a piece. pretty cool. Takes. Attacks the rook. Okay, so what? The rook moves. Threatens mate. Okay, so what? G6. Bam. Really cool. Can't be taken. And, yeah, okay, maybe I'm not getting this bishop back, but, winning exchange. Yep. I mean, I only won the exchange, but these pieces are awe-inspiring. Awesome. So I missed that. And now I'm not even better. I was like, black wasted so much time. I mean, this is how chess is sometimes. Yeah, and it's reassuring even way stronger players than me, like Chess Explained. So kind of complain they do everything right, and still the position's like equal. Yeah, I needed to control this square. Knight bishop converging on there, so either rook e1 or a3 was called for instead here. Yeah, and now worse. Bishop e7. I wanted to play this, but my like limited calculation was. Oh yeah, the knight has no way out. So after I move, yeah, he's got to sacrifice himself. Okay, probably would have seen that in the longer time control, but I didn't. Okay, haven't screwed it up yet. I'm not just looking for how I like can say I should have won because I missed a move, but I want to make sure my moves are good. And you know, if he missed wins too, I want to see that. Okay, so almost equal. Queen c6. I thought about queen c6, even though trading queens is usually anti what you want to do when you have an isolated pawn. But I haven't messed it up. Okay, I don't know. I said it forced a queen trade. It really doesn't. He can retreat, but forces it to queen trade if he wants to keep this pawn. Why am I not supposed to take this? Oh, because rook here. Duh. Okay, but he fell for it. Okay, that was a mistake. Rook c2, star move. Now I can take. Knight c1, that's a hard move to find. That's the idea. I mean, this knight nicely protects this, so unless he wants to sack the exchange, he's not getting it. And yeah, I get a second pawn. Or do I? Well, I'm in no rush. He's kind of stuck. Okay, cool. Huh. Oh, yeah, he's just coming in and taking. So I've lost my advantage. Oh, I do find knight c1 eventually. Okay, you can't take here, I assume, because this stops the pawn. What? Oh, anyway, I have time. I'm coming back here. Not to mention my king had stopped the pawn. Okay. So this was a bad move. And yeah, I shouldn't have pre-moved the capture. This is at least worth considering. Knight d5. Losing this. And yeah, now I'd rather be black, even though the engine says equal. I don't like playing with this mass against these two guys. And I do have 2 on this side. I'm just kind of negative in my endgame ability, honestly. I mean, the better player would win like a 2400, always be a 2000 in this position, or 9 times out of 10. Anyway, no matter what the colors are. Yeah. And I'm hoping I didn't screw it up at all after this. I believe I played this pretty well. Yeah, I guess I should just drop back. This is safer because the king still can't penetrate. Another engine doesn't like that though. Now it likes my plan better. B5, yeah. Yeah. And just for fun, let's not. I want to remove this from the board, but I don't really know how to do that. I mean, I could create a study, but let's pretend I don't have this pawn and try to win. Hmm. Oh, yeah, already I'm winning. Okay, already I screwed up playing for black. If I win this, then this is easy. So let's not check me then. Yeah, this is already like almost a swing, isn't it? Well, no, it's not so easy. In fact, yeah, these are cool. And anyway, I'm not qualified to like give you a lecture on these, but probably already now that one of the pawns is here, maybe I'm even losing. I can't say I know this stuff very well, but 3 pawns and a king versus a rook and a king is yeah, good end games to study and practice against the end and your friends. Anyway, this has turned out to be a very long video, but I pulled off the win. Pretty proud of certain moves, especially b4. Yay me. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I will probably be making more videos. I think 5.5 is a little too long. I'm not sure how many thousands of views I'm going to have for this almost half-hour video on one game. So I'll probably go back to 3 too. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.